Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about how to convert list to array in Uipath. So let's go to the Uipath and see how to do that. So here I am opening Uipath Studio. You can see the screen. Now I am creating a workflow and we'll see how to do that. So here I am using the assign activity to create a list. So here I am creating a list. Control K. Variable name is my list. My list, and the value in the value we can store the list values. So you can see here new a space list of a string and again open and close the bracket, new a string, new a string, open close bracket, curly bracket, open curly bracket, and in the curly bracket you can provide the list items. So I'm providing the name, India, country name, India, comma, USA, comma, China, comma, comma, UK, UK. So you can see here error is showing because the variable type, we need to change the variable type here. So you can select the list variable type here, and now you can see the error is resolved. Now I'm creating another variable, that is a array variable. In the array variable we'll see how to convert list to array. So firstly I'm creating here variable, control K, my array variable of firstly we change the variable type here. So you can see here variable type is array of a string. If you have entering the value integer, you can select the integer. So I'm entering the string value. Okay, now here in the value section I'm writing we want to convert my list items in the array. So here writing my list dot to array. So now our list converted in the array. So for check that, we are using here the for each loop, for each, and here I'm writing the array, my array. You can see, and in the body section I'm printing the value in the message box. In the message box I'm writing current. Control Z. Message box, I'm writing current item. So now our workflow is ready. Now we can save this workflow and run the workflow and see the output. What is output coming? Okay, Control S, run this. India, USA, China, UK. So now it's working fine. You can see. So I hope you understand how to convert list to array in Uipath. If you have any query related this, and if you have another query in the anything in the Uipath, you can ask in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.